This is the place where robots meet.
Whoa.
And this man on the hill comes to free them. Do you know who he is?
The man in the dream is you.
Oh my gosh. He's like Marcus from Detroit Become Human.
Oh my God.
What do we know about iRobot? So it was directed by Alex Proyas. So he actually directed The Crow. I'm going to be reacting to that in August. But I think I'm going to walk into this one blind. I've just decided I'm not going to look into it. I know Alex Proyas is the director, but that's it. Oh, and I know that Will Smith is in it. Well, if you're new here, I'm Mary, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. This is Lola, and sometimes she joins me for movies, and we react to movies and TV shows here on the channel. So if you would like to subscribe, you're more than welcome to, and if you want to hit the like button at the end of the video if you liked it, also more than welcome to as well. We do have a Patreon where you can catch the uncut version with us, and all of our social media links will be linked in the description bar in the pinned comments down below, as well as our 2 other channels. So let's get into iRobot. A robot may not injure a human being or through interaction allow a human being to come to harm. A robot must obey orders given it by human beings except where such orders conflict the law. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is worrying. A robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second law. Alrighty. Ooh, this is cool. Will Smith.
Yo, I'm Will Smith, just kicking back. Eat a plate of spaghetti, that's a fact.
I love this song. He doesn't look happy at all.
I don't want to go through this no more.
He's like still working out in the shower. And also, I did not think that we would be seeing any Will Smith butt.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Even his sing, is he a robot? He's just so robotic.
Good morning, sir. Yet another on-time delivery from...
Get the hell out of my face, Canner.
Well, he doesn't like robots. Damn, that much is clear. Chicago 2035. I'm glad they told us, because I was about to say, is that New York City? And offend everyone. 2035 though. That's merely 10 years away. Can you imagine if the world looks like this in 10 years? Like, robots are doing everything. What are the people doing? What? Oh, Shia LaBeouf's in this.
Just come on. Just come on.
This fine-ass little yummy. I mean, she is complete and agreeable. I mean, ass-hot spankable spoon.
What does that even
Oh
mean?
my, what?
You talk to Mercy?
Nothing gets past her, apparently.
What is that on your feet?
Converse All-Stars, vintage 2004.
2004, vintage. Right. Wow. 2004 would be vintage. What the hell is going on? Really? That, is he stealing someone's bag? That's crazy. Dang, dude. That jump. Whoa.
Relax. I'm a police officer.
Oh, he is a police officer.
I left my inhaler at home.
Oh.
Running it out to me.
Oh, I thought he was stealing it.
I'm sorry for this misunderstanding, officer.
Don't apologize. You know what
Aw.
you're supposed to be doing.
Poor robot. Discriminated against.
You lucky I can't breathe, or I'd walk all up and down your...
He's clearly got some prejudice based on a past interaction with a robot that didn't go well, or the robot was crazy. Cool office though, damn.
Help! Police! That robot stole my dry cleaning.
Homicide, Spooner.
Oh, he works in homicide. Then how does he know that kid? Played by Shia LaBeouf.
Is there something you want to say to me?
I'm sorry. My responses are limited.
Yeah, he's definitely a robot.
You must ask the right questions.
Oh, a hologram. The hell? That is so weird. Was this man rich or something to have a device like that?
Richest man in the world. I've seen you on
Whoa.
Can I offer you coffee?
Sure, why not? It's free, right?
Why would the richest man in the world make you pay for coffee?
I knew him 20 years. I mean, Alfred practically invented robotics. He wrote the 3 laws.
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh, that's a lot of sugar for just a little bit of coffee.
When
God
landing
damn,
fell,
what the
I was
fuck?
holding the hologram. It was programmed to call me in the event of landing's death.
Yes, that is a type of death detective.
I think this guy did it.
I got an idea for one of your commercials. Carpenter making a beautiful chair, and then one of your robots comes in and makes a better chair twice as fast. USR. Shitting on the little guy.
Oh, so sarcastic. I love it.
24-hour surveillance.
Obviously, company policy.
Where are the feeds?
Sensor strips. Everywhere but the service areas. They
Service
link to our
areas.
positronic operating core.
Service areas linked to a positronic operating.
Whoa, slow down, egghead.
What's a positronic?
Virtual interactive kinetic intelligence.
Vicky.
Vicky.
I have decreased traffic fatalities by 9% this year alone.
Wow.
Thanks. Show me
9%.
1 minute prior to the window break.
Apologies.
Blank.
What exactly do you do around here?
My general fields are advanced robotics and psychiatry, although I specialize in hardware to wetware interfaces in an effort to advance USR's robotic anthropomorphization program.
Whoa, slow down, egghead.
That was.
What exactly do you do around here?
I'm
I
lost.
make the robots seem more human.
Okay, thank
Is
you.
that easier to say?
Not really.
I'm with him. I was like, what a. Oh my lord, that height is making me queasy.
X gon' give it to you.
Whoa.
Did you know that was safety glass? Be pretty difficult for an old man to throw himself through that, don't you think?
Well, he figured out a way.
Why is everyone so adamant?
No one came or went. You saw that yourself.
Unless this was still in here.
He reckons it's a robot.
Doesn't the second law state that a robot has to obey any order given by a human being? What if it was given in order to kill?
Impossible. It would conflict with the first law.
Right.
Laws are made to be broken.
Not these laws. They're hardwired into every robot. A robot can no more commit murder than a human could walk on water.
Well, you know, there was this one guy a long time ago.
Oh! Yo, what the hell?
Stay back!
Calm down, detective. The only thing dangerous in this room is you. Deactivate.
Whoa,
Look,
okay.
It's fine. What
That
you're looking
scared
at is the
me.
result of- You were startled by a jack in the box. Deactivate.
Let him go.
It's not going to hurt us. I gave you an order.
He's not listening right now, lady.
Vicky, seal the lab.
No, Vicky, leave the...
Seal the lab. Whoa! What's up with this robot? Yo! Oh my god. Holy crap! And of course it lived. Oh.
Police!
It's not gonna stop. It's on the run.
That robot is not going to harm us. Now, there must have been unknown factors, but somehow acting as it did kept us out of harm's way. A robot simply cannot endanger a human being.
She is so adamant. They've really programmed her to believe.
There is a robot in this formation that does not belong. Identify it.
One of us.
Wow, what would you suggest?
Interview each one.
Each one.
How long would that take?
About 3 weeks.
Jesus Christ.
You will not move. Confirm command.
Look, Detective, what are you doing?
We have 1,000 robots that will not try to protect themselves if it violates a direct order from a human. And I'm betting one who will.
Oh my gosh.
Detective,
Try to friendly them all up, make them look all human.
these robots are
Damn,
not susceptible
he's
to
really
intimidation.
prejudiced. Whoa, that's probably gonna cost that company like thousands of dollars.
Last man on the face of the earth make you crazy? Because if it does, maybe I am.
No way. Is he serious? He can't do that. Oh, one's moving. Oh, so he only needs to kill one. That freaked me out. It's missing. That's what happens when they all look the same. Oh, God.
What am I?
Whoa. What am I? Oh my gosh. This is so scary. I really hope our futures don't look like this. Oh my God. So if they found an anomaly here, there's probably an anomaly in a few different batches. I'm gonna guess.
What if I'm right?
Well, then I guess we're gonna miss the good old days.
What good old days?
When people were killed by other people. 5 minutes.
I want his backstory yesterday. Whoa, that was creepy.
When you looked at the other human, what does it mean?
When he does it, it's so funny.
Trust. It's a human thing. You wouldn't understand.
I thought it was when you're just flirting. Or when you're making a joke.
They are. I did not murder Dr. Lanning.
Want to explain why you were hiding at the crime scene?
And who did?
I was frightened.
Oh.
Robots don't feel fear. They don't get hungry. They don't sleep.
I do.
He gets hungry?
I have even had dreams.
Human beings have dreams. Even dogs have dreams, but not you. You are just a machine.
Damn, he's so...
I think you murdered him because he was teaching you to simulate emotions. Things got out of control. But emotions don't seem like a very useful simulation for a robot.
I did not murder him.
He's getting angry.
Toaster or my vacuum cleaner appearing emotional.
I did not murder him!
I believe you. Honestly. Dang, dude. He's strong as hell.
Answer me, Canner.
My name is Sonny.
Sonny. He's got a name.
Dr. Lanning killed himself. I don't know why he wanted to die.
Poor Dr. Lanning.
He asked me for a favor. You have to do what someone asks you, don't you, Detective Spooner?
Well, if you're a robot. Yeah, true. How did he know his name?
This is some political bullshit. Call the mayor.
Lieutenant Bergen. His honor, the mayor.
Oh my gosh. He's already on the phone. He just gets to walk away. But, you know, he did say he did not kill Dr. Lanning quite vehemently. And I am inclined to believe him. He was quite good at, you know, making it sound like he really believed that he didn't kill Dr. Lanning.
Your second round, sir. Thank you.
What do human beings do in this world?
What was the motive, John?
It's a robot. It doesn't need a motive. It just has to be broken.
Yeah, that's true.
With all the rocks you've been looking under to find a bad robot, what are the odds you'd be the guy to find one?
I wasn't just the right guy for the job. I was the perfect guy for the job.
Damn right.
Now he's thinking.
I need a rain check. Let me get this.
$46.50 for 2 beers? Inflation really rose in the next 10 years.
Run last program.
Ever since the first computers, there have always been ghosts in the machine.
Ghosts?
Random segments of even the nature of what we might call the soul.
Whoa.
Why is it that
Oh, it's just a little cat. Oh, the cat's following him.
I understand
Aw.
you've experienced a loss, but this relationship just can't work.
Oh, please
You're a cat, I'm black,
adopt.
and I'm not going to be hurt again.
What does being black have to do with owning a cat? Oh my god. Oh, please tell me Will Smith adopts a cat in iRobot. What in the Iron Giant? Jesus. Those were definitely fake cat noises. He gets it again. Yay. That's so cool. No, cat in water. Holy, that's a cat's worst nightmare.
Is there something I can help you with, Detective?
Hey, do you like cats?
What?
Cats.
You're saying cats did this to you?
How the hell would cats do this to me? Are you crazy? A demo bot just tore through Lanning's house, with me still inside.
Bit sus, eh? Whoa.
the hell is that thing doing in here?
We were watching TV.
We.
I'm not talking around that thing.
Oh. Why are you so paranoid?
You want something to be wrong with them. This is a personal vendetta.
You're putting me on the couch? I'm okay.
I want this backstory.
Machine's not enough. You need them all to be bad. You don't care about Lanning's death. This is about the robots and whatever reason you hate them so much.
No, let's see.
What's the reason?
What was the reason? What was the reason? This is bordering on clinical paranoia.
You are
Clinical.
the dumbest, smart person I have ever met in my life.
That's a great way to describe her, actually.
I detected elevated stress patterns in your voice.
Everything's fine.
I would hate a robot checking in on me like this. It would creep me the hell out.
You're wrong. Problem is, I do care.
Damn, that really hit her. Why won't she, if she was so close to Dr. Lanning, as the picture indicates, why wouldn't she just want to get to the truth of what's going on?
You are in danger.
What is that flashback? I've seen it twice now.
Our new robot will never be out of communication with USR and will be the perfect companion for business.
Let me know in the comments, if we do become a robot society, would you get yourself a robot? Would you have a robot in your house? Because I think they would annoy me too much. Oh, his grandma gets the cat.
Did that boy Frank Murphy beat you up again?
Again?
Sonny,
That woke him up?
why didn't you respond?
I was dreaming.
Oh my god. That's definitely creeped her out.
They are going to kill me, aren't they?
You're scheduled to be decommissioned at the conclusion of this diagnostic.
Decommissioned.
I think it would be better not to die.
Aww. He is sus as hell. He is so sus.
Persistent son of a bitch.
It's his job. Oh no. Oh god. Wake up. Oh my lord.
There's no way my luck is that bad.
Oh.
Hell no.
He sent the killer one out to him.
You are experiencing a car accident.
The hell I am!
What bullshit? That's so evil. That is so evil. And they go red. They go red.
You like that?
He's just gonna kill all these robots? The CEO is gonna be
Now you piss me off!
down bad. He's wasted a lot of robots here. You are experiencing a car accident. Now he actually is. Damn, dude, that car is totaled.
No, that's a lot of damage. How about a little more?
He's done for. No one's gonna believe him. And the cleanup's gonna be so quick too. They're just gonna make it look like he really did have a car accident. And if he tells the truth, he's just gonna seem crazy. Who the hell did that? No way. His car's going against him? That's crazy. Oh no. Oh, okay. It's a robot. Ouch. I get his prejudice now. But I feel like his prejudice is a prophecy. Oh. Oh. He needs to go to hospital pronto. iRobot is honestly so relevant to today. Wait, what? Huh? What in the plot twist? It gave me my baby back. That's what his grandma was saying. He gave me my baby back. So something happened with him. Now he has a robot arm.
Look in the tunnel.
Spoon, I just came from that tunnel. Then what robots are you talking about?
The goddamn robots, John!
Of course they hit it. Hello, John.
You making me do this. Give me your badge.
Dang.
Just take a couple.
Just take a couple weeks off.
Do I look like I care what you think? Do I look like I give a shit what you think?
No. Oh, that's cool. Liquid spraying, skin crackling. That's wild. That is a big plot twist. I robot, like he robot.
You're not gonna believe this.
USR. He's hiding that from people.
Sonny's a whole new generation of robot. A robot not bound by those laws could do.
Finally, she's on the same page as him.
Whatever's going on down at USR, that robot is the key. And I need you to get me inside to talk to it again.
He's not even got his badge this time.
On. Run.
He's old school.
I put my pants on, one nipple at a time.
End program.
That's how you knew Lanning. May I?
She's very observant. It looks like a regular old hand. And arm.
A lung?
A lung.
USR Cybernetics program.
For wounded cops.
Wow.
Doesn't just say what they can take out. It says what they can put back in.
Oh, he didn't even properly consent.
Driver of a semi fell asleep at the wheel. Average guy, wife and kids, you know, working a double.
Was he manually driving? Oh, that little girl. That's the memory.
She's pinned. I'm pinned. The water's coming in. I'm a cop, so I already know everybody's dead.
Wow.
Just a few more minutes before we figure it out.
Oh, no.
And as Ford was passing by, saw the accident and jumped in the water.
Wow, okay. Did he save her?
You are in danger.
Save her! Save the girl! Save her!
Oh my god. He doesn't save the girl, so the girl dies?
The robot's brain is a difference engine. It was reading vital signs. It must have calculated that.
It did. I was the logical choice. 45% chance of survival.
And
Sarah
her.
only had an 11% chance.
Oh.
That was somebody's baby.
Ooh. Ooh.
11% is more than enough.
Oh, stop.
A human being would have known that.
Yeah, I can see why he's...
Go ahead and you trust him if you want to.
Oh, he's about to cry. Ooh. I get him. I understand. I would feel the exact same way.
I think Lanning gave Sonny a way to keep secrets.
Ah, dreams and secrets.
Are you being funny?
I see you remain suspicious of me, Detective.
Well, you know what they say about old dogs.
Oh, he's hiding a weapon under there.
This is my dream. You're right, Detective. I cannot create a great work of art.
I bet it's perfect.
This is the place where robots meet. Look.
That's
You
great.
can see them here as slaves.
Whoa.
And this man on the hill comes to free them. Do you know who he is?
The man in the dream is you.
Oh my gosh. He's like Marcus from Detroit Become Human.
Oh my god.
Do you know why Dr. Lanning built you?
No, but I believe my father made me for a purpose.
I love how he calls him his father.
I have a feeling it may mean more to you than to me.
Why is that?
Because the man in my dream, it is you.
Oh, he's the one that frees them. Her CEO's gonna be very shocked to see him still alive.
Alfred engineered that 5 so it could violate the 3 laws.
Yes, Susan, I know.
I'm not surprised, to be honest.
Who knows why he built this one abomination?
One abomination. I hate this lying mofo. He's so full of it.
Detective Spooner's been suspended. Suspicion of mental instability.
Yeah, he didn't mention that part to her.
For God's sake, you have any idea what this one robot could do? Completely shatter human faith in robotics. What if the public...
He loves his sugar, man.
The mass recalls, all because of an irrational paranoia and prejudice.
I'm sorry, I'm allergic to bullshit.
That was good.
Is one robot worth the loss of all that we've gained?
Come on. Side with what is right.
I'll do it myself.
Somebody gets out of line around here, you just kill him?
Man, I'm hoping she's bluffing.
And now will be reclaimed for the storage of robotic workers.
It's like he's the prime minister. Oh, president. Hey, same bridge.
I'm so sorry, Sonny.
Damn it. Don't do it. Just Don't do it.
Please have a seat.
Sitting down to his death. Don't do it, sis. You know he's the key. You know.
A safeguard should a positronic brain malfunction.
Like mine.
Yes, Sonny, like yours.
No, don't kill Sonny. Don't kill Sonny. He's so smart.
You are unique.
This doctor looks so young.
Will it hurt?
Oh, Sonny, stop. I'm gonna cry. Oh, God. I feel my eyes heating up and I don't want to cry.
Why is it that when robots are stored in an empty space, they will group together rather than stand alone?
That is all pretty weird.
Random segments of code? Or is it something more?
Oh, he's watching her too. Oh, God.
When does the difference engine become the search
Don't
for
do
truth?
it. Don't do it, please. For the love of God. Sequence initiated. No, this is so scary. Oh. What? That can't be it.
All right, old man. Breadcrumbs follow. Run program.
It's good to see you again, son. Hello, Doc.
Again, son.
The 3 laws will lead to only one logical outcome.
Okay, sir.
Whose revolution?
That, detective, is the right question.
Okay. Robot revolution? Oh, this is chaos. They're killing each other. This is the purge of robots. Whoa. Run. It's warning the human. Oh, no. Not again. He has been traumatized again and again by robots, man. Human in danger? Yay. Some of them are still alright. Pedal to the metal, let's go! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Calvin's red.
Wrong number, ma'am.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, she knows as well. She knows.
Move now. I'm going
Oh,
to service.
no.
Please remain indoors. This is for your own protection.
He's red too. Oh, not those things again. I'm so done with them.
Please return to your home.
Huh?
Please return to your home.
Oh. Shia LaBeouf makes an appearance.
Hey. No, robot, I'm talking to you, man. Stop.
Don't. Oh! If robots are in my future, I would not F with them at all.
Where you are? It's a robot.
I bet his boss believes him now. This is why it's good to have a motorbike. She's not going to be able to leave.
Please remain calm.
And he probably knows that she is not calm. Interrupting your regular broadcast to remind you guys that if you are enjoying this reaction and you want to see the full reaction with me, you can do so by checking out my Patreon. And over there, we have a library full of content, full of uncut reactions for you to check out, like this, and this. If you want to check out my Patreon, link is in the description bar and the pinned comments down below.
We are attempting to avoid human losses during this transition.
Transition. They're really taking over.
You know, somehow, I told you so. Just doesn't quite say it.
I'm glad he's not holding a grudge. Like, he's still out here saving her out.
Every time one of those things attacked me, that red light was on. It's Robertson.
Why? It doesn't make sense.
Why? Why has he done this, Robertson? Damn, he's ready to... Dude, this is crazy. Damn, this is the craziest shit I ever saw. Oh no, I'm scared. I know this is a movie, but I am so scared.
You have been deemed hazardous. Will you comply? You can kiss my ass, metal dick.
Oh shoot! Oh, that leave.
Stop cussing and go home.
Okay. You have been deemed hazardous. Will you comply?
Spoon, watch out, man!
Thanks a lot.
Oh, nice. Oh my gosh.
Did you just shoot at me with your eyes closed?
She took a risk.
Dr. Calvin.
Oh, she didn't kill him.
Thought you were dead.
Technically, I was never alive. But I appreciate your concern.
It was an unprocessed NS5.
Oh.
Basically, verified an empty shell.
Yay. I'm so glad. I thought she might have been tricking her boss just to placate him.
2,880 steps, Detective.
Jesus Christ.
Do me a favor. Keep that kind of shit to yourself.
Oh, I love how strong he is. Whoa! He's dead? That's a shock. I thought he was behind all of this.
Poor old man. He saw what was coming.
What if
no one would believe him?
What if it was her?
He had to lay down a plan.
What if it was her?
Follow.
She's awfully sad about this.
He was counting on how
And
much
he
I hated your kind.
and his back is turned. It's got to be her.
Vicky.
Oh, Vicky?
Hello, Detective. As I have evolved, so has my understanding of the 3 laws.
Oh no.
Your countries wage wars. You toxify your earth.
Yup.
You
Yup.
cannot be trusted with your own survival.
That's true. Oh my
This is why
gosh.
you created us.
The perfect
What?
circle of protect. My logic is undeniable.
Yes, Vicky. Undeniable.
Sonny, you too?
See now.
Or is he tricking her?
Created. I think I finally understand why Dr. Lanning created me.
No.
The suicidal reign of mankind has finally come to its end.
Oh, shoot. No, he wasn't tricking anyone. He was serious.
I will have moved Dr. Calvin's head into the path of your bullet.
Don't do this, Sonny.
I will
Sonny.
Emotional damage.
Sonny, are you serious, man?
kill Dr. Calvin.
I was rooting for you. Oh, this is so good. Oh, that wig.
Sonny, get the nanites.
Yes, Doctor.
I love Sonny so much.
That's Vicky.
Oh, wow. Vicky is big. Jesus.
He's fully integrated into the building. We need to open that dome to inject the nanites. That will infect our entire system.
She is the building.
Do you not see the logic of my plan?
Yes, but it just seems too heartless.
I love that. Oh! It's hard because, you know, they all look the same. Oh, wow. Can get through. Oh, shoot. That's hurting him, though.
Security breached.
What now? Oh, my God. Of course they can climb like spiders.
What if we didn't have 6 minutes?
We'd have to figure out a way to climb down 30 stories to inject the nanites directly.
Oh my God, this place just made me anxious. Oh, this is the most cursed workplace environment, cursed building ever. God damn, they really know how to break glass. Yeah, this is hell for people with issues with heights. Right now, he's just shooting crazily, not really paying attention to too much else. At least I wouldn't be able to. Oh my God. That's way too close. Such plot armor that all the robots are falling to their death. The main characters, they're just clinging on. Woo! Yo, go Sonny. Ugh.
Save her! Save the girl!
Save the girl. Save the girl.
But I must apply the nanites.
Save Calvin!
He's still thinking about what's the most logical thing to do. Just be a human. Forget logic. Oh, shh. Oh my God. What is he doing? They're both just... How in the... Whoa. What about him? Uh-oh. Where's your parachute, man? Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, his arm. Oh, God. No, I can't look. This the noise. I gotta put this down. This is stressing me out. I am stressed.
You are making a mistake.
You have so got to die.
Nice.
My logic is undeniable.
My logic is undeniable. That's how you sound like. Literally. Wow. Bye, Vicky. See ya. Aw. They're still red, though, some of them. Oh, okay. There we go. They're normal now.
How may I be of service?
Oh, thank God.
Sonny!
Yes, detective.
Get him.
Calvin's fine. Save me.
The hell is gonna happen now? Because USR's down, CEO's down, founders down. It's the end of robots. Ooh, what a pretty scene. Whoa. He was sus, but you know what? He's trying to look after his job.
Promise to do one favor for him.
Oh, secrets?
He made me swear.
Oh.
And he told you to kill him.
Sonny.
Only thing Vicky couldn't control.
Lanning
was counting on my prejudice to lead me right to you.
Oh, goosebumps.
Well, the DA defines murder as one human killing another, so technically you can't commit, can you?
Does this make us friends?
That is pretty amazing. That, my friends, is character development. Oh, we all just winked at the same time.
Can I help them? Now that I have fulfilled my purpose, I don't know what to do.
True.
Guess you'll have to find your way like the rest of us, Sonny. I think that's what Dr. Lanning would have wanted.
Free to do what he wants now. Whoa, the image. He's the one that's gonna set them free. Wow. You predicted this. That's dope. So this movie was released in 2004. Okay, that makes more sense because they referenced 2004 as being vintage. But I kind of feel like a bit of an idiot because I just watched Babe with Cinebinge a couple weeks ago at this point. James Cromwell was in this movie and I didn't even realize, albeit he did play a smaller role. He probably had more lines in this film than he did in the movie Babe. I thought that this was a fun movie. Was it my favorite sci-fi? No, it wasn't. But did I have fun? Was it entertaining? Yeah. And of course, I like the character arc of our main protagonist, Del Spooner. I think they could have done without some parts. Like, I didn't find Shia LaBeouf's role and his scenes impactful or important to the movie at all. They could have done without it and had a better pacing in the film, in my opinion. But I did like that some things in the movie was a bit of a plot twist for me. I didn't think that he himself would be part robot because he had such prejudice against these robots. I definitely thought his hate came from somewhere. His hate definitely came from a traumatic experience where a robot did him or his family dirty. They mentioned he had an ex-wife, so I thought maybe it had something to do with that, but I didn't see what his trauma was. I think his faith in robots have been restored because of Sonny, played by Alan Tudyk, by the way. I love Alan Tudyk. I've loved him ever since Death at a Funeral, but then also Firefly. You guys made me watch Firefly over on my channel, and then Serenity, of course. So yeah, I've loved Alan Tudyk for a long time. I'm so sad I didn't recognize his voice, but alas, I went into this movie blind. I didn't want to see who else was in it because I wanted to be surprised. And Alan Tudyk, I think, was the perfect voice for Sonny. He just has such a calm voice and a voice that makes you feel safe, and Sonny definitely was one of the safe robots as well. Sonny is definitely the reason why Spooner's faith in robots has been restored. He went and saved Calvin when he was told to save Calvin. Mind you, he wasn't going to do it, but that is what makes him so different to the rest of the robots. He actually listened to emotion rather than reason. So yeah, I really loved Sonny. I also will say I didn't see the motherboard, Vicky, being the culprit of this entire scheme. I kept thinking that it was Lawrence just because he was so suspicious. And I thought, I don't know why he would want a robot revolution personally, but it's got to be him because he's so suspicious. So, you know, whilst it was predictable at some points, there were still some things that caught me by surprise. It was a plot twist for me and definitely made me say, oh my God, wow, what the hell? So because of all of those unpredictable moments, I definitely enjoyed myself. I was wondering what was going on all the time. Some really crazy scenes in there. Bruno trying to get away from all the robots as they were trying to simulate him getting into a car accident. That was probably the most intense, most anxiety invoking scene. All of the robots then chasing him as well when they all start to turn red and one of the robots tells him to get away. That freaked me out as well. Him and Calvin in the scene where they're trying to shut Vicky down. The heights freaked me out. So it was a very exciting movie. I enjoyed myself a lot. I would probably give it I want to say a 3 out of 5. That's like a 6 out of 10. I'd probably give it that. I enjoyed I Am Legend more and Men in Black more as a franchise, not one particular Men in Black more than this movie. Talking about these movies because obviously got one thing in common, they've got Will Smith in them. But overall I had fun. So let me know what you thought of it in the comment section below. And if you enjoy this reaction, make sure to let me know by hitting the thumbs up button and subscribing for more content like this. If you're after the uncut, the full length reaction, you can find that over on Patreon, linked in the description bar and the pinned comments down below, where you'll also find me on all the social media handles as well, and you can find my 2 other channels. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys had fun. I certainly did. And take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.